In today's project, I'm creating a beautiful customizable wall clock using PVC pipe and acrylic glass. This is a unique DIY project that combines creativity, electronics, and craftsmanship to produce a stunning piece of wall decor. After cutting the PVC pipe, I applied heat to flatten the pipe, transforming it into a workable flat surface that will form part of the clock's structure. Next, I carefully measured and marked out the frame design, making sure all the dimensions aligned properly. Once everything was marked, I began joining the frame pieces together, gradually forming the main body of the wall clock. When the frame was fully assembled, I sandpapered the entire structure to smooth out rough edges and prepare the surface for finishing. After sanding, I applied paint to give the frame a clean and professional look. With the frame ready, it was time to move to the electronic components. I began installing the Type-C USB port, followed by the power switch. Next, I installed the high brightness LED strip, which will provide the beautiful lighting effect for the clock. Now comes the part that makes this project truly customizable. Using my engraving machine, I engraved the design onto the acrylic glass. The best part is that any image can be engraved depending on what the client wants, making every clock completely unique. I assembled the acrylic panel onto the frame and installed the wall clock movement engine. After that, I fixed the clock hands, giving the project its final functional appearance. Finally, I performed a full function test to ensure everything was working perfectly from the lighting system to the clock mechanism. And just like that, the custom PVC and acrylic wall clock is complete, a modern, personalized piece that combines design, technology, and creativity. If you made it all the way through to the very end, we want to sincerely thank you. It genuinely means a great deal to everyone here. You're among our most dedicated viewers, and we truly value your support. We promise to keep putting in the effort to make our next video even better for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and think about subscribing. It helps us out more than you might realize. Thanks once again.